Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage all your devices on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app opens, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. When you are on your profile, tap on the three dots on top right corner. Then tap on Security and Login. And here you will see Manage Devices. Tap on that. And you will see all the devices you are logged in from here. And if you have any unknown devices logged into your account, you will also see that here. And if any unknown devices have logged into your account, then you will see that on another section. Now go back and then tap on Security Alerts. And if any unknown device have logged into your account, you will see that here. Now when I have entered, here you can see that my account is secured and no unusual activity on this account has been detected on the last 7 days. Now tap Done. And then tap on Manage Devices again. And if you have any unknown devices logged into your account, you can easily remove it from here. And that is how you can manage all your devices on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.